Hey, I'm Todd. Thanks for watching my video and do all that good YouTube stuff. Share it, like it, hit the notification bell, thumbs up, subscribe, all the things that you do. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. 2022 Dodge Ram 4-door pickup truck, door panel removal. You can see the holes where all the pins are. Replacing the mirror, 2 nuts here, 2 bolts here. Had to disconnect some wire here for the door, window switch. Squeeze the 2 tabs in here, which releases from the door and slides over the top of this. 3 connections for the mirror, and it wraps around here. Comes up to the mirror. Seems like there's a little catch push pin here, so it won't just fall out. A 10mm bolt here, 10mm bolt here and here. Little panels covering it up. You see it's got a little notch right there, so you can pry it out. Same with this one on the top. So this is facing this way. Notch on the bottom. That's what it looks like. Trim piece. Push pins here. Push pins over here. And it just seems to be a friction fit on the back side. It probably wraps around, so there's no pins or anything like that. Use a pry device right here and pry up from the back side to lift this out. That's what it looks like. See in here. You don't want to pry up on the front because of this little metal bracket here. So pry up right here. Pry it up. That is a door panel removal overview, I believe. I think that's everything you need to know. Got some special tools for prying. Whole set. Little screwdriver for the little panels. With the new mirror, cable through here, and we'll bolt it up. And we'll snap it back together. And this piece tucks inside the metal here. There's metal right here. And this has a lip. It's going to tuck inside the metal. All along the edge here, all up here. So we'll probably leave these till last. The push pins, leave the push pins till last. Get this inside edge taken care of on here first. Just like that. There we go. Sorry about the light. Just make sure this is probably untucked from in there, doesn't get jammed in there. So there we go. That is on, back on like that.